Hi guys, welcome back to Travel Tutor. My brother's here, and my last video was about the rain, the heavy rain. Everything is dried out. The roads are clear, at least most of it. There's still some puddles, but everything else is clear. Brother's trying to say hi. So he is not in a good mood today. Today we were gonna have our field trip, but it got cancelled because of the heavy rain. But we're gonna have it on another day. Also my brother's. There's ruined cars everywhere because of the rain. There's one that lost a window, the back window. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's in front of us right now. Okay. See, outside is clear, but cars are not much, because they got ruined because of the heavy rain and hailing. Our car got a little cracks and dents, but it's all okay. At least our car did not break any window. Everything's clear. A lot of these big trees survive, and they're big and strong. But we had a garden that did not survive because of the hailing. Some plants are okay, but most of them died. My brother is still not in a good mood. He did not want to make it. This is the way of our home. We just came back from school. There's a lot of buses because all the buses are going to drop the children near Aliyahar, but they can't go to Aliyahar because it's really far. Only like in field trips they can go. Our home is way in Aliyahar, but we still can make it to school. They're going all to Al-Makam. That's another way to somewhere else. This is a pretty place with greenery everywhere. Cars. Oh, there's a tunnel. Small tunnel. And see everything. The greenery is so nice. I just love that there's so much green, because green is my favorite color. Okay, so there's a lot of cars. This is the desert with our home. There's big desert. There's big sand mountains. I meant it's so hot here because it's UAE is near the equator. And we're about to reach our home. So we're about to enter Aliyahar, our home. It's kind of far from our school. That's why we always come kind of late to school, but that's okay. And see, look, you can see like tiny houses. They look tiny, but they're actually very big. And a mosque, because we're about to enter Aliyahar. Whenever you see the red sign, you'll enter Aliyahar. See, there's a red sign there, red big jumbo sign. We're gonna reach. Hey, look, that's our house with the white and purple. We're gonna enter it. Okay. Ooh, look at the big red sign. Now we entered Al Yahar. We go in a. Look, there's a shop. Not that big, but yeah, at least bigger than me. There we turn. Al Yahar. There's another name, but I'm better calling it Al Yahar because I keep forgetting the other name of Al Yahar. See, that's our house with a dark purple and white. There's dark purple lines, right? See those? There's still some puddles. Like I explained, see, there's still puddles. You can hear the water. Go there, go there. See, there's still some big puddles, but that's okay. Ooh, look at that car. It's a broken window. At least, oh, I bet that's favorite car. Now we enter our home. That way, from that way. My daddy's not going there. I feel like we're gonna enter from our other way. Yeah, we're gonna go there, enter the other way. Yeah, there's a parking right there where we always park. Are we gonna go there parking? No, we're gonna go in this free parking. That's more near to us. Are we? Oh yeah, we are gonna. Oh, no. Then, oh, okay. So we're gonna enter the parking, then go from that black gate. In our main video, you saw our house, and there was a bunch of water there. Okay. Whoa. And then we get out. Look at that. Then we get out. And see those big puddles? I don't think you can see it. It's so bright. And then we go into our house. Our house is right here. If you go like that, this turn, we are gonna see a black gate. And if you see a black gate, we open. Hey! We are gonna open. There, that tree is broken. I don't think it's because of the sun. Look, there's big puddle. That's a big puddle. I don't think it. Oh, you guys, if you guys can see it, and like this video.